Welcome back to Tech in the News. It is Friday, August 7th, 2020. Today's Tech in the News is a little bit of satire, a little bit of kind of something that I noticed scrolling through. It was just a bunch of stuff about new phones and stuff like that and boring crap. But I happened upon this article here on techradar.com talking about the most pointless Apple accessory is now cheaper than ever. Talking about the wheels that can be added to the 2019 Apple Mac Pro. Okay. Basically, a third-party vendor has created their own wheels that you can go ahead and attach onto your MacBook, or not your MacBook, your Mac Pro. Excuse me. For a lot cheaper. So doing some reading in the article here, once again from Tech Radar, written by Anton Shilov and Desire Atau. I'm not sure. Anyways, what it's talking about here is the wheels that Apple can sometimes, if you choose to, when you buy your $4,000 Mac Pro, which you could easily build for like a quarter of the cost, has an option so that if you don't want just the standard feet, you can get some wheels on it. Okay. And those wheels, roughly, if you bought them when you customize your Mac Pro here, would run you about $400. You're paying $100 per little wheel that you can find on the bottom of an office chair. Okay. Given, yes, they got some polished steel on them. Other than that, you can also get a aftermarket Mac Pro wheel kit to install them yourself for only $700. Also something that you could look forward to. But this company, as mentioned here in this article from OWC, says that they have created Rover Pro wheels, which are priced at $249. What a bargain. Great deal. You are now saving so much money putting wheels on your little Mac Pro station that you can now wheel between your offices. So what I thought about after reading this, I was like, what is a good alternative that is even cheaper than $249? And I don't know about you, but I grew up in the good old US of A, and we had gym class in public elementary school. And in that class, we rode around these tiny little gym scooter things. They're just pieces of plastic with little wheels on the bottom of them. And they can hold a ton of weight, basically. And, they only cost $20. And you could stick a Mac Pro on one of these things and save yourself a crap ton of money. I mean, you could even get, like spray paint it with some chrome if you wanted to make it look better. I'm just saying, there's hundreds and hundreds of better options out there if you're trying to save money. I'm going to be honest. I don't think you should be spending $250 on a third-party wheel when if you're going to go third-party, you can just buy a little sit-down gym scooter, 12 by 12, 1 foot by 1 foot, for only $20 versus paying $250 for a third-party option. So, if you really got the money, you're going to flex. You're going to buy a Mac Pro. Might as well just buy the original Apple wheels. Don't go with the third-party option. If you're going with third-party option, just go ahead and get yourself one of these little gym scooters, okay? Honestly, the best option. Then you can just spray paint it chrome, make it look a little bit better. Maybe put a couple little command strips on the bottom of it so it stays secure. And honestly, I think that's the best option to go from there. That's it for Tech in the News. Once again, just kind of one, I felt like this is a little bit of a ranting one. I just think it's silly that we're charging $400 for some wheels to go on a Mac Pro when the thing weighs like less than 20 pounds. You can just slide it across the floor. You could put some carpet sliders on it too. That would even work. But that's it for today for Tech in the News. It is, once again, Friday, August 7th, 2020. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.